Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we fill colors in hot air balloon. So let's start. First we fill green color. You know kids, what is hot air balloon? Hot air balloon is a type of aircraft. Now we fill yellow color. It is lifted by heating. We can also sit in this. And you know, hot air balloons can carry more weight. You want to sit in this? Now we fill light color. It's a colorful balloon. Now we fill orange color. This also orange color. Now we fill brown color. And the last one is, it's a hot air balloon. Thanks for watching kids. Bye bye.